Welcome to our lesson on ethical considerations in product management. As part of the Legal Regulation, Ethics and Privacy course designed for product managers, we will explore the critical role that ethics plays in guiding product decisions and building sustainable businesses. Over the next scenes, you will encounter clear definitions, engaging case studies, illustrative diagrams, and practical tool demonstrations, all designed to empower you to integrate ethical considerations into every stage of product management. Ethical considerations in product management involve evaluating the moral implications of business decisions. This includes fairness in pricing, transparency with users, and responsible data handling. In this scene, we define what ethics means within the context of product development and outline the core principles that guide ethical behavior in business. For product managers, a clear understanding of these concepts is essential to ensure that products not only comply with legal standards, but also promote trust and social responsibility. Ethics is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a competitive advantage. Ethical product management builds consumer trust, enhances brand reputation, and can lead to long-term success. In this scene, we discuss why ethical considerations are essential for innovation and sustainable growth. For product managers, embracing ethical practices means better decision-making that aligns with both business objectives and societal values. CS approach minimizes risks and fosters a culture of accountability and transparency throughout the organization. Various ethical frameworks guide decision-making in product management, including utilitarianism, deontology, and virtue ethics. These theories provide different perspectives on how to evaluate the impacts of your decisions on stakeholders. In this scene, we introduce these frameworks and explain their relevance to product management. Understanding these ethical theories allows product managers to weigh the consequences of their choices, ensuring that products are developed in a manner that respects both user rights and societal norms. Let's examine a real-life ethical dilemma that impacted product development. A leading tech company faced backlash over data privacy and misleading advertising, prompting a comprehensive review of their practices. By rethinking their approach and prioritizing transparency, they rebuilt consumer trust and repositioned their brand. This story illustrates the importance of ethical decision-making in avoiding pitfalls and fostering long-term success. For product managers, it serves as a powerful reminder that ethical lapses can have far-reaching consequences. Not all companies succeed in navigating ethical challenges. Many face severe repercussions from ethical failures. In this scene, we explore examples of high-profile ethical missteps in product management, such as consumer data misuse and unethical pricing strategies. These failures not only damage reputations, but also lead to legal penalties and loss of customer trust. Understanding these cautionary tales helps product managers to recognize potential pitfalls and to implement proactive strategies that prioritize ethics over short-term gains. Ethical considerations and regulatory compliance often overlap, but they are not identical. While regulations set minimum standards, ethical practices demand a higher level of accountability and integrity. In this scene, we explore how adhering to regulations is just the starting point, and why product managers should aim to exceed these requirements to achieve true ethical excellence. This proactive approach not only meets legal standards, but also builds deeper trust with customers and stakeholders. Modern tools can help evaluate the ethical implications of product decisions. Software solutions and ethical impact assessment tools enable you to quantify potential risks and benefits, ensuring that decisions align with both legal standards and moral values. In this scene, we introduce several digital tools designed to aid ethical analysis, providing product managers with practical methods to assess and improve the ethical performance of their products. Data sets provide the quantitative backbone for ethical decision-making. By analyzing user feedback, consumer behavior, and market trends, product managers can uncover insights that inform more ethical practices. In this scene, we discuss how to leverage data sets to identify potential ethical issues and to measure the impact of ethical initiatives. Understanding and using this data is key to creating products that are both profitable and socially responsible. Accessing reliable online resources is critical for staying informed about ethical best practices. In this scene, we highlight key websites and documentation, including industry standards, ethical guidelines, and case studies available on reputable platforms. For product managers, these resources provide detailed guidance and practical examples to help integrate ethics into every stage of product development. Let's review a real-life case study that highlights ethical decision-making in product management. A prominent company faced public scrutiny over an ethical misstep, which led them to overhaul their practices. By adopting a transparent approach and instituting robust ethical guidelines, they regained customer trust and improved their market position. This case demonstrates that ethical actions not only avert crises, but also drive long-term success and brand loyalty. Expanding your ethical expertise is essential in today's complex market. In this scene, we present a curated list of tutorials, courses, and resources available on platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and LinkedIn Learning. These resources offer in-depth training, practical examples, and expert insights on ethical practices in product management. Investing in continuous learning will empower you to implement and champion ethics effectively throughout your organization. Ethical considerations in product management are evolving with new technologies and consumer expectations. In this scene, we explore emerging trends such as sustainable design, responsible AI, and transparency in user data practices. For product managers, staying ahead of these trends is critical to developing innovative products that are ethically sound and socially responsible. By anticipating these changes, you can position your organization as a leader in ethical innovation. As we conclude our lesson, let's recap the essential takeaways. We defined ethical considerations in product management and examined why ethics is a competitive advantage. We explored key frameworks, real-life case studies, and emerging trends, while also reviewing tools and resources to support ethical decision-making. This comprehensive overview provides you with the foundational knowledge needed to integrate ethical practices into your product strategy and to foster a culture of trust and responsibility. In our final scene, we highlight the tangible benefits of integrating ethics into product management. With this knowledge, you can create products that build customer trust, avoid reputational risks, and drive sustainable innovation. Understanding ethical considerations not only safeguards your business, but also positions you as a leader in responsible innovation. As you continue your journey, apply these principles to unlock new opportunities and achieve measurable success as a product manager.